arriving into the space. Almost like coming to the clouds. I have clouds for you today. So welcome. Welcome to a space in between time and space. Up in the clouds, over the mountains, across the ocean. Where there is nothing but space. So just kind of feeling the spaciousness within. And just observing the breath coming in and going. Almost like there's clouds inside the body. Really soft clouds. Fuzzy, soft clouds. Again, imagining this beautiful cloud-like space up in the air. And just float, free float. Coming back to your body. See if it can be in both worlds. So I'm going to have you start with your body again. Take a deep breath in, becoming aware of your breath. Observing the breath coming in through the nose, into your chest and your belly. And your whole feet. And start feeling the spaciousness inside the body. There's this bit of pockets and corners and chambers inside your body. So really imagining the pieces of anything that you feel inside your body, whether it's your organs, actual physical organs, or blood flow, or air flow, or energy flow. Just getting really curious, observing all the flow inside your body. And the soft curiosity of opening just a bit, expanding, loosening a little more. And bringing your awareness on your face, becoming aware of your face muscles, your jaws, relaxing your mouth, almost like being curious of different corners and spaces of your facial muscles and facial space. See if you can loosen, soften, relax your face. And bringing the element of softness, just relaxing your eyeballs, your ears, opening, softening. Whole face is relaxed. You're bringing your awareness over your head, allowing your crown, your whole body expand. Your energy expand beyond your physical body. Your aura, your energy expand a little further up into the sky. And just arriving inside the clouds. Soft, fuzzy, warm, welcoming. Space. There's this sense of oneness, connectedness, wholeness, and spaciousness, weightlessness, limitless space. Allowing yourself float and fly so free, but full of wholeness. And wholeness of everything. Feeling the warmth of golden sunset. It's different colors, temperature, texture, different quality of energy, the element of fire and light. And just coexisting with the space and air element here. And you feel that in your body too, the fire within you. And the air, space within you and around you. a sense of spaciousness, lightness. And then in possibilities, ignition of fire, creation. It's a sense of tranquility and the level of transformation in action. The tranquility of spaciousness, softness, and presence. Beautiful coexistence, harmonious state with element of fire, transformation, creation, and action, and inspiration. Such magnanimous state. The vastness of possibilities here. Limitless possibilities. Infinite possibilities. That you can't even see the end of it, like the horizon. It keeps going, expanding, expanding, expanding. Bringing your attention inside your body, and can you feel that in your body too? Inside your body. Tune into the state and remember the state. And allow this state also manifest and express through your face as well, through your voice, a sense of lightness, depthness, sense of fire, and that spaciousness coming through as you speak, as you see, as you are seeing. Through your expressions, bring those elements with you. The true dance of masculine and feminine here, both energy, harmoniously dancing, co-creating, expressing. So take a deep breath in and let it out. Next breath in, become aware of your body, your feet, wiggle your feet, then your fingers, and slowly, gradually come back to the space and time. Become aware of your surroundings and come back to me. How are you feeling?